Hello everyone, this is Noob Rider and welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of TAKSUN car dashboard or office desk alarm clock, uh, which I have ordered from Amazon.in and it was just 99 bucks. By the way, there was an additional charge of the shipping and it was like 158 rupees in total. So here I just unpacked it, but I haven't done the unboxing yet. Let me keep this wrappers aside. And this is how the seller has packed it, so let me just get through it. And as I said, this is a TAKSUN clock, which in most of the other reviews you people might have seen, even though it's mentioned as TAKSUN. However, this box says that it is NACO quartz clock. Doesn't matter if with the same price, it works absolutely okay. And I'm just unboxing it. So this is, I couldn't find anything or kind of amount on the top of it. Well, no, it doesn't say anything over here, but it just costs 99 rupees as per Amazon.in, and depending on the locations, you people have to pay the shipping charges. So this is the both sided glue tape which you can fix it, and here is the stand and the clip which you can fix it to the dashboard. And coming on to this both side glue tape, you'll have to fix it on the top of it, and then you can fix it anywhere on, if you want to fix it on your desk. And this is how it works. You'll have to fix it, and this is movable absolutely. So then you can put on your watch on the top of it, and you can keep it in any direction however you want. Okay, so coming on to the watch, let me show you. Switching on this watch, well, there is a wrapper over here which you'll have to pluck out in order to switch it on, and yes, it's switched on completely. Coming on to the time, well, it's showing as 1-3. To adjust that, you'll have to push this center M button 3 times as it says on the menu. So here I am, and there's the seconds. Well, seconds says it's 01. Let me switch. To switch, you'll have to push, or you'll have to press the button of S, and you can switch. So these are the date modes. Coming on to the seconds, here is the minute. Time says 4:43. Let me adjust it to 43. By pressing the D button, you can go ahead with the numerics, and here I am. Let me put it to 45, and switching to the R mode, the time says 4 o'clock, and switching to the date, it says it is 27th and December. 12/27 is the date, and the day over here is Tuesday. coming on to the alarm once again, I would just go through the menu as it says. Press M 2 times to enter into the alarm mode and push S to choose whether you want to switch into the hour mode or to the minute mode, and to adjust the right time, and finally push M to return. That's how you can switch it on. And once it is done, press M to come back to the timer mode and fix it onto this, the clip, the dashboard clip which has been given, and you can stick the blue pad into this, and you can fix it up in case you wanted to fix it on your car dashboard or on your desk, office desk. Well, this I have bought in order to fix it onto my motorbike, so that I don't have to keep looking into my wristwatch, and I can see the time and can go on. I hope you will like this video, and in case you like this, just hit like, and do subscribe to my channel on the bottom of this video to the below this where I'm showing up. There's a red color button which says subscribe. Do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.